Tolan. I'm 19 years old, and this is my cousin and my best friend. I'm Jean Pagi, and I'm 19 years old. Actually, Mindanao State University, in MSU, it has 8 clusters. So, Iligan Institute of Technology is one of the cluster in MSU. Actually, MSU is before it's for the Muslim people, but eventually Christian people also get here, so they can also study here. Then we have 8 colleges here in IAT, and came from College of Education, major in English. Siguro eventually I will teach children. Actually, this is not my first choice. But the school will the school will be the one to choose the course for you. So I love this course because I think it's a calling for me to teach children, to educate such innocent minds, and hopefully I will be a teacher too. Then this school, a lot of students came from different places here in Mindanao. From diverse, not only from Mindanao, but also from Luzon and Visayas. And actually, this is a public school, but you can guarantee a quality education from intelligent professors. Then, actually, this is the now number 1 university. In southern Philippines, actually. So, a lot of students here, and can meet different types of people. Then I can mingle with them. Actually, first year I have a difficulty in mingling with other people. But when I was in third year, I'm third year now. But and I get to know lots of people, lots of attitudes, behaviors. So I am so thankful that I got here, even though I will travel 7 hours from our place. They just get here, but I'm so thankful because of this school. I learned a lot.
So how about your friends? Would you like to say something?
So our school institution, world-class institution of higher learning, renowned for its excellence in science and technology, and for its commitment to the holistic development of the individual and society. And its mission is to provide quality education for the industrial and socio-economic development of Mindanao, with its diverse cultures through relevant programs, instruction, research, extension, and community involvement. So our school aims for our class institution and going beyond borders, so that most of the graduates of this school are now on different countries working and then achieving their excellence. We can have STEM of Ed. Professors with skills and mastery of different fields. And also, we can say that our schools provide quality education in the Our season here is a bit lower than the other universities, but you can guarantee quality education.
You want to talk something? No, my. That's all. Okay. Can you speak some sentence in your own language? Cebuano, like I love this school, I love this Philippines, or something in your own language. Cebuano, what? Yes.
Just one sentence.
Yes.
Ani ka mo sa amang eskwelahan ang MSU IIT dire. Yun na. Ang mga estudyante kay mga butan na yun. So, different kaan, and po diri sa because it's more fun.
Really? Okay.
Bisita mo diri sa MSU IIT kay ang mga tao diri, mga buutan, mga gwapa-gwapo o mga mantigo o
Okay.
puto.
Now,
Mga antigo o makabalo.
sama
Sama ni Mia. That's it.
okay. Yeah.